Hey guys, so today is the day when we're gonna add the first and probably final animals to this tank. I'm not gonna be adding a lot of fish or invertebrates, but I have something very special. So right now, my little animals are acclimating. I personally like to do drip acclimation. I think I have a video on it, but the channel I posted it on doesn't exist. So I might actually post it on the Shorts channel very soon just to have it, and I will link it in the description. So there I have some Amano Shrimps. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise of the fish. Here are the fish. You cannot tell what they are, but I think they're special. So I'm gonna have some Amano Shrimps, Nerite snail, and 8 of the little fishies that I wanted to have for a little while now. And that will be enough stocking for this 40-liter tank. So I'm gonna let the animals acclimate for about an hour or so. I like to take my time with acclimation. I think it pays off. And my experience has been very good acclimating animals. Get adjusted to the new parameters and we'll come back when it's time to add them to the tank. And I'm gonna show you and tell you what fishies I got. All right, so the fish and shrimp are acclimated, time to add them in the tank, and then need to top up a little bit with some water. Alright you guys, so these are the Green Rasboras kubotai, I think they're called, and they are green turquoise. They are wonderful. Actually, in the freshwater hobby, we don't really have many fish of this color. Green fish, not as many as you'd think. I cannot really think of one on the top of my head. And when I say green, I mean this really bright green. Now, in videos, I've seen these guys looking even greener, like a neon green. Mine seem to be a little bit, actually, it depends on the light, right? These guys look to be a little bit greener. The ones below, they're a little bit more turquoise. Where'd you guys go? So yeah, there's such a beautiful color. It's a very subtle color, and I'm thinking that the more they get adjusted to this tank, the more food, quality food I give them, the better they will look. So I'm so excited about them. These tend to stay very small. I do believe they are mature, or most of them are mature. They're not gonna grow any bigger than this. They are very peaceful. They do good in communities with peaceful fish. They're gonna be the only inhabitants, actually the only fish in this tank. They are so tiny. I was expecting them to fill the tank a little bit more. I might buy a few more. I only got 8. We'll see how they do. I don't want to overstock this tank. They look a little hungry, don't they? So I will give them some food in the end of this video. But yeah, we'll see. I think we're good. I mean, the Nerites, the Amano Shrimps should be enough for this 40-liter tank. It's not a big tank, it's a nano, so I really don't want to overstock it. I'm tempted to buy more though, because they're just so beautiful. Look at them. Look at that color. It's a brilliant color. I love them so much. It's the first time that I'm owning this fish, and I'm very happy about it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and let's just give them some food, right? I'll see you guys next time. Bye!